to class today on Friday the 16th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to take your test today. Let's go ahead and get ready to make some quick announcements and then get you guys into your tests right away. Turn in your review sheets, please, if you completed them. If you did not complete them, then please do not turn them in. Make sure your name is on it. Incompletes. There was the one incomplete for Gus. And Gus, if you turned it in yesterday, I did not make it to Berean yesterday. So if you turned it in yesterday, that's fine. If you did not, it had to be turned in today, or it does become a permanent zero, okay? Remember, students, if you miss a day of class, it is your job to go to this website and be all caught up. In fact, I've not heard from any students at all, so everyone who was there today does take the test, okay? Moving on. Today's schedule, take the test. Okay, let's go ahead and go over your test. So at this time, Mrs. Gallen, if you'll please pause the video and restart the video once everyone has a test on their desk. Okay, students, let's go over your test. Number one, we're going to solve the given system by using linear combination. That means you will not use any matrices. On number one, you will simply use the method of linear combination or elimination, whatever you want to call that. Number two, I want you to solve the given system by using the Gaussian elimination. Now, if you're confused as to what that means, that just simply means where you write a matrix like this. And hold on, my mouse quit working. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, hold on a second. Sometimes I have to reach over and unplug it and plug it back in. And, okay, anyways, you're going to make a matrix like this, an augmented matrix. And then you do all that work where you get a 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So that's what I mean when I say Gaussian elimination. Number three, use the determinant of a matrix to write an equation of the line that passes through those 2 points. Now you know how to do that. You draw a matrix and you put some ones in some different places. You put an X and a Y in here in some certain places and you go from there. So hopefully you studied that and you're ready for that. On number four, on a separate sheet of paper, graph the system of inequalities, okay? Number five, find the inverse of that matrix. Do not use a calculator. So the only way that I know that you did not use a calculator is if you showed your work. So please show your work. Number six, find the determinant without using a calculator. Once again, the only way that I know that you did not use a calculator is if you show your work. So show your work. Number seven, solve the given system by using an inverse matrix. Now, what that means is this. This is where you have a matrix here, and then a little matrix here, and then an equal sign, and a little matrix here. And I've told you guys, on these types of problems, you're allowed to use your graphing calculators all that you want to, but still show me some work so that I know you did it this way, okay? And then moving on to number eight. Number eight can be a little confusing, but you should be fine. Notice on number eight, I've given you an equation. A plus C equals, I'm using my mouse here so it's a little sloppy, equals 2B. Well, I would advise you to get C by itself first, and then substitute your matrices in and solve for C. But listen to me carefully. Your answer for number 8 will be a 2 by 2 matrix. Number 9, multiply those two matrices together without using a calculator, so please do not use a calculator on number 9, okay? That's it, guys. Have a good day. Go ahead and get started with your test. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.